You may have heard a lot recently about using face masks to prevent infection. How do you properly use a surgical mask? Here are the 10 steps to follow. 1. Clean your hands, either by washing with soap and water or by using an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. 2. Before putting the mask on, inspect it for any tears or holes. 3. Locate the metal strip in the mask. This is the top of the mask. 4. Orient the mask so that the colored side faces outward, or away from you. 5. Place the top part of the mask on the bridge of your nose, molding the metal strip to the shape of your nose. 6. Carefully loop the elastic bands behind your ears or tie the long, straight ties behind your head. 7. Pull the bottom of the mask down, ensuring that it covers your nose, mouth, and chin. 8. Try to avoid touching the mask while you're wearing it. If you must touch or adjust your mask, be sure to clean your hands immediately afterward. 9. To take off the mask, unloop the bands from behind your ears or undo the ties from behind your head. Avoid touching the front of the mask, which may be contaminated. 10. Promptly dispose of the mask in a closed garbage bin, thoroughly cleaning your hands afterward. Thank you.